That's how the ocean looks like at our place. Like a lot of rainwater, a little bit of waves. The visibility is not the best, but that's usual during the January, February. So nothing to wonder. That's how it looks like. And that's how it looked before. The guys are celebrating 5 stars. The guys got 5 stars for the Bali dive center, so that's why they are celebrating now. And also Tony became a dive master.
And me also, me.
You too. So they met all the requirements for 5 stars. Now they are 5-star dive center. That's white sand divers. Raining today. I didn't dive today, same as yesterday. Today I would like to talk about diving and what actually keeps us going. Basically, what is that power, what keeps us diving, why we choose it as our primary job or primary work. Even we know in diving no one became a millionaire. Maybe except only some diving organizations which are made the money on it. Right, but so yeah, diving, I don't know anyone who became a millionaire in diving. I don't know anyone who has a YouTube channel and has million subscriptions. I never seen it. So why we are doing that? That's the question for today. Who knows, maybe I will break this rule and will become that guy who has millions and millions of subscriptions on a YouTube channel who's posting about the diving and live live in Bali. I don't know, who knows? It's also possible only with your help. So, subscribe. I think the strongest in all this is a feeling. That's basically why we go diving. That's, I don't know, that's the power of water, which giving you that amazing feeling of calmness and absolute satisfaction. To explain this barrier, I probably need to give you some example. Like when I have all these troubles, and you believe me, we have a lot of troubles here, especially at the moment when there are no tourists and no one is diving, and we constantly struggling. And then there is also some break because we got some customers and that stuff. But then again, when I go in the water, when I'm diving, I don't know, all my troubles goes away and it makes me feel calm and nice. My brain is absolutely clear of all the trouble and I can effectively think about what's next. And another thing what keeps us going is the people. That amount of the people what we meet during our work here is just amazing, because I think that the diving keeps together all the good people, or at least there is something which makes us as one big family. And that's why we always saying that diving family, diving buddies. So that's the thing actually. first of the things what I was really amazed when I started diving was how friendly all people are around me. All other hobbies I've been doing, that was always some competition. Of course, in a diving also there are some little competitions, like for example, who's breathing better, but it's nothing actually about the other hobbies I've been doing in my life. All of us, we come to the diving driven by different reasons. Someone wanted to try something new, someone tried to solve some problems. I don't know, there are so many and thousands of reasons why we started diving. Someone wanted to feel this weightlessness and so many different things, but I think the most important is that in the end of the day, if we can just sit together and there is a lot of things to talk, that's the one really important thing what keeps me going. And that's what keeps me not giving up on this. That's basically something what makes me diving, and that's why I love it. And it'll be just interesting to hear what you think about that. So please write in a comment. Thank you very much for watching today again from rainy Amed. It starts raining a little bit more. In the morning it was kind of okay, so now it becomes more rainy. That's why I'm gonna stop in this place. And thank you very much for watching, and see you tomorrow again. Bye.